Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar met Governor Rajendra Biswanath Arlekar at Raj Bhavan and handed over his resignation letter today at 11 a.m. The Janata Dal United veteran will now claim to form a new government with the BJP. Nitish Kumar at the Janata Dal United's legislative meeting announced his resignation. All JDU MLAs supported this decision. Kumar is expected to join the BJP-led NDA nearly 2 years after he left the alliance. He will meet the Bihar governor to form a new government with BJP support. The BJP was waiting for Kumar's resignation. BJP legislators in Bihar also met to discuss their strategy. A JDU-BJP legislative meeting is anticipated. Bihar Mahagathbandhan RJD had a meeting where Lalu Prasad Yadav was authorized to make decisions regarding future developments. The RJD is trying to gather support and strategize for a trust motion during the February 5 budget session. The BJP leaders also had a meeting hinting at their support for Kumar. The BJP demands 2 deputy chief ministers and the Bihar Assembly Speaker's position. The Mahagathbandhan Alliance government, according to JDU spokesperson KC Tyagi, is on the verge of collapsing. Amid this turmoil, Congress appointed Bhupesh Baghel as the party's senior observer in Bihar. BJP MP Janardhan Singh Srigriwal stated that the NDA, having received the mandate in the 2020 assembly polls, will be back in power. A BJP leader reported that all meeting attendees signed a formality that may be required to inform the governor about their readiness to form a new government. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has tried to reach out to Kumar. The RJD, despite being the single largest party in the Bihar Assembly, falls 8 members short of the majority if JDU departs.